Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix notifications not appearing on your Honor 600 Pro smartphone. So, the most common reason for this issue is your battery management system. So the same system that prevents your battery from discharging too quickly also abuses your apps sometimes by sending you delayed notifications from them, which we don't want to happen with apps like messengers, phone app, email app, or any other applications that we use for communications and we need to have urgent notifications from. To change these settings, we have to enter the settings menu, and after that go to battery. Then we're gonna have to select app launch, and here you have to manually find the applications that have prioritized for you. Switch the toggle to the left next to them like this. Also make sure that here all the options here are toggled to the right. Then go back to apps, to settings, and then open apps. Here select manage apps, and then find all the same applications that you selected in the previous menu, and go to their settings. Here we have to select permissions. First of all, make sure that this app has the permission to send you notifications, and also disable managing app if unused. And that's it. That will resolve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.